Up until now, text-to-speech voices have sounded robotic, linear, and emotionless, right? Not anymore. Hey, I'm Kayla, and I'm one of the AI voices from Revoicer. I can be sad, and you'll think that I might break down and cry any moment. Or get excited about all the projects that we'll work on together. I can even get angry with the push of a button. I can speak louder, or lower the volume of a sentence to a whisper. Talk faster like you hear me right now, or slower, so I can sound exactly the way you want. Thanks to its next-generation emotion-based text-to-speech engine, Revoicer brings your AI voiceovers to life. My voice sounds so natural, because I understand exactly the meaning of each phrase, so I know how to add inflections in my voice, just like a real human would do. I can analyze the content that you enter, so I'll understand when I'm enumerating something, when I have to emphasize a word, or when I need to speak slower or faster. Creating human-sounding voiceovers from text has never been easier. Just paste your text into Revoicer's easy-to-use interface. Choose the language and the voice you want to use. Choose the tone or the emotion you want your voiceover to express, and click on Generate. That's it! It's that easy! Whether you're looking to create a corporate video or something more creative, there is a perfect voice waiting for you in Revoicer.
My name is Axel, and I'm one of the most popular voices from Revoicer.
Hello, my dear ones. My name is Olivia. I have a soft and caring voice.
My voice is deep, mellow, and soft. I can create a voiceover that will sound genuine and friendly.
My name is James. Often people think that I'm the voice used in Discovery documentaries. They are not far away from the truth, to be honest.
My name is Victoria, and I'm the youngest voice from Revoicer. But don't get fooled by my age, I completed over 100 gigs already.
You can listen to all the voices further down on this page. Trust me, you have never heard AI voices like these. Actually, 95% of the people hearing a voiceover generated with Revoicer can't tell that it's not a real human voice they're hearing. My voice is generated with Revoicer, and you're still here watching and listening to what I have to say. Which kind of proves my point. So here's the deal. Normally we sell Revoicer as a monthly recurring service, but right now we are running a special one-time payment offer. But this private offer is limited to just 1,000 people. All the Revoicer payment plans will switch to monthly recurring payments. But honestly, even at $297 per month, that's an incredible deal for what you can do with Revoicer. Outsourcing the creation of a single voiceover will cost you more than the price of this special offer. I'm so confident that you will love the voiceovers that you'll generate with Revoicer that I'm going to make this a complete risk-free decision for you. If you create a voiceover using Revoicer and you don't like it, you will get your money back with no questions asked. So now that you have no risk, go ahead and click the Buy Now button below and profit from the one-time payment offer and the huge discount that we have for our first 1,000 users. Let's quickly recap why you should get Revoicer today. You'll be able to transform any text into speech. You'll get over 50 human-sounding voices. You'll be able to create voiceovers in over 30 languages. You'll be able to create as many voiceovers as you want. And all this for a one-time fee. So if you're ready to create unlimited voiceovers for a fraction of what you'd pay a professional voice actor, click the button below this video to get Revoicer right now. And remember, you are covered by our 60-day money-back guarantee.